Hi, I'm Henry Ma, CEO of Ricoma International, where we are proudly one of the world's leading manufacturers of industrial and household embroidery machines. As a trusted brand, our innovative technology spans the globe with over 160 exclusive distributors worldwide. Today, we turn our attention to India, where Krishna Sewing Solutions began selling sewing machines in Mysore in 2012. As their business developed in 2018, they saw a need and a demand for multi-needle embroidery machines, and put their faith in Ricoma to provide the industry's best. Since then, Krishna Sewing Solutions has been able to thrive and has continued to grow and expand their branches all over India. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the inner workings of Krishna, their accomplishments, and how teaming up with Ricoma has not only helped to guarantee their success, but the success of their customers as well.
Krishna Sewing Solutions was established in 2012 in Mysore. Initially, we started our business from selling sewing machines. Later, as the business developed and years passed, we started selling single needle embroidery machines. But as the market trend changed, so there was demand for multi-needle embroidery machines in market. When started searching for the right brand, we came across Ricoma in 2018. That's when our embroidery machine selling business started. At present, we have branches at Mysore, Mandya, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Tirupur, New Delhi and Mumbai. We offer sales and services to all industrial sewing machines, embroidery machines, spare parts and accessories. We have supplied embroidery machines all over India. There are over 60 to 70 employees working under Krishna Sewing Solutions.
Hello, I am Hemant Krishna. I am the proprietor of the Krishna Sewing Solution. Our future goal is to reach the multi-head embroidery machine market, which is very big happening business in the Indian market. Ricoma has launched very good product apart from embroidery machines like heat transfer, DTG and vinyl cutter machines. So we want to launch all these machines to Indian market and provide best service and training for our customers. As Indian market upgrade with new technology and trend, we Krishna Sewing Solution also upgrade accordingly.
To maintain our customer base and sales, our marketing team takes responsibility for making sure buyers are happy as well as trying to upsell them. The division is proactive in contacting customers and constantly keeping a rhythm to ensure in giving the right information and provide service to the customer needs.
Hi, I'm Megha. I'm working as a regional head at Krishna Sewing Solution over 5 years. Every day we get new inquiries through IndiaMart. So we guide our customers to go with Ricoma brand because Ricoma is a user-friendly machines. So we guide them to go with a very good brand. And also not only through the IndiaMart, we get new inquiries from Ricoma USA team as well. And also we have our own YouTube channel and Instagram page. So we make a social media promotion through that. We have a multiple showrooms all over India and we have a individual sales teams. Our sales team will be responsible to look after the customers' inquiries and their services. When it comes to service, I coordinate with service department as well as Ricoma team. I'm very happy to work with them because they are very supportive and interactive. Our main motto is to provide the good service to our customer and for the further expansion of our business.
We, Krishna Sewing Solution, have excellent tech support team who are responsible for handling installation errors, user issue and any other technical problem. They perform troubleshooting procedure to give door-to-door service within 1 or 2 working days for every raised complaint.
Hi, I am Niketan. I am working as a technical head from past 10 years Krishna Sewing Solutions. Coming days we are planning to give 24/7 service at customer doorstep.
Krishna Sewing Solution started a division for designing which makes exclusive trendy designs and also makes designs for customized orders. We ensure to make designs within 1 to 2 days. We have around 10 well-versed designers who follow the present trends and create designs for all occasions for all kind of design formats. We expertise in creating designs for women's blouse specially, and also we make alterations according to the size requirements as per customer needs.
Hi, I'm Apurva. I'm working as designing department head at Krishna Sewing Solution for over 6 years. Apart from the designing, we are sell software also and give exclusive online and offline designing training. In upcoming days, we are launching an exclusive website specially made for Indian embroidery, and we ensure to provide the best designing service.
From importing embroidery machine to delivering at customer's doorstep is completely managed on time by this department systematically. We are also responsible to sell machinery spare parts and accessories. We take orders from all over India and make sure to deliver on time. We ensure to suggest the right thread shades and good quality threads for embroidery machines to the customers.
Hi, I am Suresh. I am working as store manager from past 10 years at Krishna Sewing Solution. In coming days, we are planning to sell all industrially machinery spare parts at one-stop destinations.
Krishna Sewing Solution is very important for us to match the trend.
ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದೇನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಷಯ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋಂಥ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು సప్లై ಮಾಡೋದೇ దొడ్డదు.
వాళ్ళు సక్సెస్ అయ్యారు, వాళ్ళ సక్సెస్ నుంచి మాకు సక్సెస్ ఇవ్వడానికి వాళ్ళు కృషి చేస్తున్నారు.
ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಿಡಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲೀಸ್ಗೆ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿಷನ್ ರಿಕೋಮಾ SWC.
ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಟೀಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಪನ್ನೋಡಾಪಣ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಹೇಮಂತ್ ಸರ್.
ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಬೇರೆ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಏನಾರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ಏನಿರಲಿ சஜஸ்ட் ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, கைட் ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ.
ஆக்சுவலி படித்தவங்க தான் இந்த வேலை பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னெல்லாம் ஒன்றும் இல்லை. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ படிக்காதவங்க ಕೂಡ இந்த வேலை பண்ணலாம்.
ನಿಂತೇ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಮಿಷಿನು ಅನ್ನೋ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. వితిన్ 5-10 మినిట్స్లో ಮತ್ತೆ రన్ ఆಗಿದೆ మిషన్.
ఈ లాంగ్వేజ్ కావాలన్నా అరేంజ్ చేస్తారు. అది నాకు చాలా బాగా నచ్చిన పాయింట్.
ഇതേ സെയിം സപ്പോർട്ടും സഹകരണവും ഉണ്ടാവും ഞങ്ങൾ പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
ಇವಾಗ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಂಗೆ ರಿಕೋಮಾ ಮಷಿನ್ ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಎರಡೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Krishna Sewing Solutions, a total solution for sewing.